Meaning of inaction.
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 Inaction. The term inaction refers to the lack of action or activity. When someone does nothing, they are engaging in inaction. In many situations, inaction can have negative consequences. For example, if a leader fails to take action in response to a crisis, things may quickly spiral out of control. Similarly, if someone fails to take steps to achieve their goals, they may never make progress towards them. Inaction can be a passive choice, but it often leads to missed opportunities and undesirable outcomes. Therefore, it's important to recognize when action is necessary and take proactive steps to address any issues.